In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to load XML data in Snowflake. We'll go through the process step by step to ensure you have a smooth experience getting your data where it needs to be. Loading XML data into Snowflake might seem a bit daunting at first, but with the right approach, it can be a straightforward task. Let's dive right in and see how we can achieve this effortlessly. Firstly, we need to make sure our environment is properly set up. This includes having access to your Snowflake account and ensuring your data is properly staged. In this context, staged means that your XML file is already uploaded to a location where Snowflake can access it, which in this case is a stage in Snowflake. Now, once your XML file is staged, we can move forward with the main task of loading this data into a table in Snowflake. Here, we'll be using the copy into command. This is a SQL command in Snowflake that's used to load data from staged files into tables. The first thing you need to do is specify the destination table. For our example, we'll be loading the data into a table named XML data. This is a table we've presumably set up in our database and is ready to store our XML data. Following the destination specification, you indicate the source of your data. In our example, the source is at mystage file.xml. This means that the XML file is located at a stage called mystage, and the file itself is named file.xml. Next, you need to include the file format options. For XML files specifically, you must identify the type of file you're dealing with. In the context of the copy into statement, this is done by specifying the type as XML. An important aspect when dealing with XML files is how the data's structure is maintained. By using the strip outer element equals true option, you're telling Snowflake to disregard unnecessary hierarchical elements in the XML file. This ensures that only the meaningful data from your file is loaded into your table, making the process much cleaner and more efficient. Now, let's bring it all together. The complete command will look like this. Copy into XML data from at mystage file/format equals type equals XML strip outer /element equals true. By running this command, you instruct Snowflake to look into the specified stage directory, find the XML file, and load its contents into your specified destination table while adhering to the formatting rules you've set. And there you have it, a simplistic yet effective way to load XML data into Snowflake using the copy into command. With practice, this process will become second nature, and you'll be able to handle XML data more efficiently in your workflow. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy data handling with Snowflake.